Hello, first graders. So I'm going to go ahead and show you where you can click for your Google form. So you're going to go ahead and look for this slide that has the big name Unit 6 assessment and the big blue arrow. Once you find that, you're going to click the words right here that says Unit 6 assessment, and it's going to pop out a link, and you're going to go ahead and click that link. So let's go ahead and click it. Go ahead and click it. You're going to go ahead and see right here at the top that says Unit 6 Common Assessment. So every question has a video. So if you want the questions read to you, go ahead and click on the video and it will read you the question out loud. So the first question is, what is your name? So go ahead and put your name. Once you are done, you're going to go ahead and press this button, Next. Oops. So I'll just put Ms. Ramirez. And I'm going to put Next. Then it's going to take you to the next question. It's going to say question 1. And then again, you can click the video so it can read the question out loud for you. And you're going to go ahead and click the correct answer. So then you're going to read the problem and you're going to click the correct answer in these bubbles. Once you are done, you are going to press the next button. Okay? And make sure you complete all of the questions. Go ahead and do that for all of the questions. You have 10 questions in this assessment. So you could always press the back button if you need to fix a problem, or if you need to go back to a question and reread it again. You could always press this back button. And then once you get to question 10 and you answer it by filling in the bubbles, press this purple submit button. So make sure to press this purple submit button because this will send it to your math teacher and it will let them know that you have completed the assessment. Okay? Good luck to all of you and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!